Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a pet shop in Minecraft. So now let's get started. Now as I said, we are here in a normal flat land in Minecraft. Many animals over here. Let's go flying. Now let's choose a place to make a pet shop. Okay, let's choose right over here. So beautiful, nice view and all. Now let's start by picking up the blocks that we want. Let's choose this one and stairs. That's enough for now, right? Now let's start by building the borders. We have to build it all around. You can build the borders any size as you want. I am speeding the video a bit because it takes some time, and I'm also going to build the walls. I chosen the height for the wall to be 5 blocks. You can do it as you want. And after making the borders, I am going to fill the borders inside with the white blocks that which I have chosen. Okay, I'll pause. Okay, so now here we are. I have made all the 4 corners right now, see? It's so beautiful. You can look from up. I have made all the walls. So now let's go into the main part. The animals inside. But before that, we need a door. And maybe some thieves may get inside. Even though they're not thieves in Minecraft, but still we can just take a normal stop. So we need iron door. Yeah, iron door, some pressure plates. You can take the pressure plate. You can keep it over here like that. And iron door. See, it will open. So how about to get back inside? Let's place the pressure plate over here so that I can get back outside. Some sounds going on outside, right? I think there's a new customer right now. Mr. Customer, there's nothing inside, so there's no use of standing here. You can go outside. So I like that customer is there right outside banging on the door. Let's now start making the aquariums. First, let's make one aquarium. We need glass for that. Oh, what's that? Hey, how did this guy get inside? He's making so much noise. He's disturbing me. I'll go to another corner. So noisy. He's following me. Okay, let's go glass. And glass. Okay. So first, which fish do we want? For fish, we have to go. Oops, just banging on my car. There's some sounds going outside. First, choose this. And here's a mad customer. He came through the walls. So there's no use of building any walls if there's spiders inside. Right? You need a roof. Okay, so please can you go outside, Mr. Angry Customer? Pressure plates. Okay, bye. Come again soon. Think he's gone. Okay, that mad customer has gone. Let's now continue. He came for animals or maybe any other reasons. Don't know why, but still he came. So now let's move. There's a skeleton right outside. I don't know who he's waiting for. Maybe his friends has gone out and he's waiting for him. Oh, I think he saw these friends. Can't see anyone. I think it's invisible. Yeah, it's glass over here. And like that. Also over here. This is the boundary for the first aquarium, and here is the second. Oops. I really like the sound of breaking glass. It's a very funny sound. Okay, so now we have made two individual places for two animals. I think this one is a bit too small. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3. That's no problem. So let's add the bucket here and here, 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 oh, here, 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 here. Oh no, they're getting outside. No, 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 no. Please get inside. No, 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 no. They don't get outside. Don't get outside. It's bad. No, no. Get her inside. Get her inside there. No. No. It's leaking. It's leaking animals. They're just all over the floor. Get out. What do you want? So there's some of the remainers that are still inside. That's good. Now let's take the second bucket of fish. Which shall we use? Let's see. Puffer fish. My favorite. Just because they puff. Oops. Just puffing. Stop puffing, man. Okay, let me seal this thing out or else they'll jump outside. Who's squeaking over there? Breaking glass, my favorite sound. Let's go check from outside. Who put that over there? There are bit blank spaces. Let's add the. Where's my pipe block? I lost my pipe block. Search. Let's go. I accidentally replaced it. There we go. 1, 2. Okay. That's enough, right? Who's angry over there? And here's some angry rumbling sounds. Come on, open the doors. First one complete. Wait. It's also add over there. At user spots, I tend to add these blocks. See, it's a nice show. It is looking at me. It's so cute, right? The puffer fish are going on a puffer routine. So funny to watch. It's not good to keep on watching on these puffer fish. It's waste of time, right? So now I'm going to make another aquarium for glow squid. And I also like these animals because they just glow. I'm making glass and let's pour water inside the squid. Okay, now after this I have made a place for turtle and it's all okay, and there's a problem that I have accidentally placed this place for tortoises over here, so I'm going to delete that. I'm going to destroy that place for the pufferfish because they're not so much beautiful. So right here I'm going to make a place for cats. And by the final video I have replaced this glass with iron bars because I thought that it was far more better looking, and I have also not took that in video. See, I'm spawning cats over here. The cats are really cute, right? And As I said, I'm going to replace these with iron bars, and I'm so sorry I had not took the video of that. So let's spawn wolves or dogs over here. There's actually no dog in Minecraft, only wolf. I just named it dog because they're more like dog. If you feed them bones, then they'll become tame like a pet dog. Let's spawn one dog over here. A few dogs for a pet shop. And also covered with glass. And next, by this side, I'm going to make a place for parrots that I'm going to show you at last. And I'm going to make it with iron bars, and all the places for animals are going to made. I'm going to make with iron bars. So now I have finished my own pet shop, and it is way better inside. And we're not yet going to go right now. And I'm waiting for the sunset, and it's almost night right now. Let's go for a stroll around. See, we can see inside the glass. I used my own imagination and creativity to make this. See, we can see over here many animals from the glass. And as I said, it's even better inside. So what do you say we go inside? Automatic doors open. Wow, so beautiful. This is made from signboards with glow sack. There's some animals. I have written all the name of the animals. See, so beautiful. Dogs, cats, birds, rabbits, ocelots, salmon, even fishes are there. And here we have an extra tank for dolphins. See, right over here I have not yet added dolphins. I'm going to add it in the future surely, but now I have not added any dolphins inside over here. I just kept it as an empty tank for emergencies, for maybe other fishes. This is cod and squid, my most favorite. This is glow squid. And so also I hope I add dolphins in this empty tank. See, I have even added lights. And this is according to my imagination. If you want, you can put more and more animals and even bigger play store. So we want to see a message before we wind up. Let's go outside for that. Please subscribe. I'm nearing 100 subscribers, so I am expecting your support to help me reach 100 subscribers. And so thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And please help me reach 100 subscribers. And that's now my biggest goal. And so as we go up into the moon and stars, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye.